Kaylin,
quickly, and it's fun because
what does the lion say?
What about a dog?
Woof woof. What about a duck? And a lion? What about elephant?
What about
duck.
a hyena? No, a hyena. Monkey? Monkey. A monkey?
What about a lion?
What about a kitty?
What about a lion? Lion?